I should have bought this tool years ago. I recently picked up a Fuji Semi-Pro 2 sprayer. I will be applying water-based quick-dry polyurethane. First, I check the viscosity with the provided cup and then fill up the gravity canister. After cleaning off the surface with a tack cloth, I begin spraying the tabletop. I make sure to keep the gun perpendicular to the surface and overlap each pass slightly. I sand with 220 grit in between coats to make the finish glass smooth. The overspray was very manageable, and I was very impressed with this sprayer. After all the coats were dry, I delivered this trestle table to the customer and they couldn't be happier with the result. Follow for more woodworking and design.